Top 5 Best Chromebooks. Number 5. HP Chromebook 14-inch Intel Processor N100. The HP Chromebook 14 with Intel N100 delivers exactly what the Chromebook formula promises. Fast, focused computing with zero drama. Startup takes seconds, the interface is clean, and Chrome OS makes the setup process laughably easy. Pair it with an Android phone, and syncing becomes as simple as scanning a QR code. For students or casual users, this machine checks nearly every box. With 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of fast flash storage, it runs web apps and Android tools without breaking a sweat. The Intel UHD graphics handle 4K streaming surprisingly well, and the battery holds up for a full day of school or work. It's not a screen, and no, it's not trying to be a MacBook. The Micro Edge HD display is sharp enough for Netflix marathons, and the anti-glare panel does its job outdoors. Design-wise, it's light, durable, and the textured palm rest adds a thoughtful touch. Ports are limited, just one USB-C and one USB-A, so an adapter might be necessary for multitaskers. Still, for web browsing, docs, Zoom, or light gaming, this Chromebook punches well above its weight. Great value for the price. Minimalist, efficient, and quietly powerful. Coming in number 4. Lenovo Flagship Chromebook. The Lenovo Flagship Chromebook is a refreshingly capable machine, disguised in a budget-friendly shell. Don't let the modest specs fool you. This touchscreen Chromebook handles everyday tasks with ease. The 14 inches Full HD display is bright, responsive, and backed by IPS tech, making it ideal for Netflix binges, video calls, or just hammering away at Google Docs. It's not high gloss like some Windows Ultrabooks, but the low glare is a blessing for eye strain and productivity. The MediaTek Compendio 520 chip is no slouch. Paired with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB eMMC, it boots fast, streams clean, and stays smooth under multiple browser tabs. While this won't replace a high-powered workstation, it does everything a modern user needs: email, classes, Zoom, YouTube, without the bloat. The design is slim, lightweight, under 3 pounds, and practical, even if the blue shell feels more back to school than executive suite. Port selection is modest but sensible: USB-A, USB-C, microSD, and headphone jack. Battery life varies. Light users may stretch it far, but heavy zoomers will want the charger close by. Chrome OS, as always, makes setup seamless. If Google's ecosystem is home base, this Lenovo is an easy pick. Fast, functional, and surprisingly fun to use. Coming in number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. Lenovo's IdeaPad 3i Chromebook offers a no-nonsense experience in a larger-than-average package. The 15.6 inches Full HD screen is the star here. Big, bright enough, and perfect for YouTube, Netflix, or a long spreadsheet session. It's not touchscreen, and the color vibrancy is average, but for the price, it punches fairly. Performance is solid for everyday tasks. The Intel Celeron N4500 handles browsing, streaming, and light multitasking without drama. Just don't expect heavy Android apps or gaming to run smooth. For work, school, or casual web use, it's more than enough. And that full-size keyboard with a numpad? A win for those who live in spreadsheets or just want extra typing comfort. Battery life impresses. Light users report it barely dips after days on standby, and 10+ hours on a charge is doable under normal use. It's also got enough ports to avoid dongle overload. USB-A, doable under normal use. It's also got enough ports to avoid dongle overload. USB-A, USB-C, microSD, and a headphone jack. The build is plastic but feels clean and modern, with a quiet touchpad and solid key action. If you're switching from Windows and tired of updates, Chrome OS keeps things simple. For under $300, it's a reliable, big-screen Chromebook that quietly gets the job done. Coming in number 2. ASUS Chromebook CM14 Laptop. The ASUS Chromebook CM14 strikes a smart balance between durability, simplicity, and everyday functionality. Powered by the MediaTek Compendio 520, it delivers snappy performance for web browsing, streaming, and cloud-based work. Paired with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, it's well equipped for the basics without slowing down. At 14 inches, the anti-glare Nano Edge display isn't full HD, but the extra screen real estate over 11 inches models is immediately noticeable and appreciated for productivity. The build quality is where ASUS steps up. Military-grade durability, a spill-resistant keyboard, and even antimicrobial protection. That's thoughtful design. especially for schools or shared environments. Ports are plentiful. USB-A, dual USB-C with power and display support, micro SD, and a Kensington lock slot. The webcam includes both a physical shield and smart lighting adjustment, ideal for privacy-conscious users and frequent video calls. Some buyers noted early hardware issues, but others praised the rugged feel and smooth experience, saying it easily outperforms its price tag. While the edges may feel sharper than usual, the overall structure is solid. For users seeking a dependable Chromebook with real-world protections built in, this ASUS model quietly over-delivers. Coming in number 1. HP Chromebook 14 Laptop. The HP Chromebook 14 proves that simplicity still wins when done right. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4120 and paired with 4GB RAM and 64GB eMMC storage, this Chromebook handles daily tasks with ease. Web browsing, streaming, document editing, all smooth and fuss-free. It even supports 4K playback thanks to Intel UHD Graphics 600, though the HD screen itself is 1366 by 768. Not razor sharp, but bright, clear, and easy on the eyes. Its slim, anti-glare display and lightweight build make it ideal for moving from room to room or packing for travel. One thoughtful design change: ventilation is placed above the keyboard, not underneath, so no overheating if it sits on a blanket or lap. Battery life is a highlight, pushing up to 14 hours, with HP Fast Charge adding 50% power in just 45 minutes. There's a basic webcam, so life is a highlight, pushing up to 14 hours, with HP Fast Charge adding 50% power in just 45 minutes. There's a basic webcam, solid keyboard feel, and multi-touch touchpad for smooth navigation. Port selection is minimal: one USB-A, one USB-C, and a headphone jack, so minimalists will be fine. But power users may need an adapter. No touchscreen, no backlit keyboard, but it's not pretending to be premium. For under $300, this Chromebook nails the essentials. Fast, durable, efficient. Exactly what a Chromebook should be.